Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a pop-up video for your social media promotion by using CapCut. So the first step that you need to do is just open the social media page that you want to promote, and I screen recorded it like this, where I click on that follow button. So you can do this for like YouTube channel, Instagram account, or TikTok account, or whatever social media that you use. And then after that, import it to CapCut like this. Click on clips, find animation, then click on combo, swipe until you find the smartphone animation. Okay, so there are three options. You can just choose which one between these three that you think fits your needs the best. So it will go like that. So this is the second one, and here is the third one. Okay, I'm going to use the third one. Just click on the check icon. Then after that, if you want, you can also change the background. So I'm gonna try if I can change the color of the background. Okay, yeah, you can. So you can just play along with it, and after that you are done. And you can also add like animation, like a mouse click if you want in the follow button, or a sound. So that's up to you. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.